Hey guys, good morning. This is Dragon Tales with another upload of a video about the roof racks and trying to prepare for this hurricane that's coming. That's my boy Dragon Tail over there, guy in food. So I've did some of the installation already, so I just left one to show you guys. This is my 2018 Toyota Highlander. I love this car. So as you can see, I already installed some of it, or 3 sides, and I'm doing the last one right now. Should be able to see from there. So all that happened is this plastic piece just clips in, like you push it up and it clips in. This piece right here, so on the top, it locks in with this two notch right here, and this comes under those 3. And then you screw down. Oh. Yeah, so today's Saturday. Now the hurricane's supposed to be hitting by Monday, so I'm just trying to set up, make sure I have step up here. Make sure everything is all set for the hurricane, just in case I have to go anywhere. I have extra space to put the bag, to put whatever I want to put, food stuff. We went shopping yesterday, Walmart, for stuff. It was out of water when we got there, but ended up buying a 55-gallon drum with water, 55-gallon drum, and I filled that up with pipe water just in case we do lose water, so at least we have water. But yeah, so far I just checked, it's veering off of Florida, it's heading up to South Carolina, but I'm not 100% sure because every day it changes. But that's how it's been for the past week. Every time I check, it's been like that. So yeah. So I'll probably go a little bit iguana hunting later on today, because I saw some really big ones at this one spot that I went to. So I'm definitely planning on going back there sometime today. But overall, I think it looks really good on top. I'm gonna take that name off and put my YouTube name on top of there. I got my 32-inch LED bar at the bottom, and I got a 52 on top. You could never be too safe. You could always need a little bit more light. Got my tow hitch just in case I need to tow like a trailer, or I have a tow basket I'll just put on and put whatever inside, so go on a road trip, whatever. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and stand by later for another video. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I'll definitely be uploading a lot more videos. Me and my friend Champ will be uploading a lot more videos, so just stay tuned. Thank you.